Like I keep on receiving mails from various students of engineering colleges or various business schools saying that they want to do something on the digital marketing. So these are the informations that they, based on my experience, what are the things that I can contribute or from where they can get this information. If I answer him, it's good. If not, then do you feel that I am only the person for them? In a one single send, clicking a one single mail and click that send button, he can send 500, at least 500 people in a one go at Gmail. So it helps people a lot to think about entrepreneurship. Whatever you do today, wherever you be, you want to choose a particular college, you are dependent on the website of that particular college. If you want to go and study abroad, you want to look at what is the kind of website that they carry, what are the facilities that they have, all of these things that you want to look at. So whatever you do, whatever the different things that you do, you are connected with one single thing, which is called, this is something that we should be very genuinely putting up. What is the goal that you want to achieve from your life? If you don't have a direction for your own website and you start pleasing everyone, what will happen? You will dilute your impact. So be specific what you want to achieve of yourself, of your website, or of your career. Now when Facebook has came into the picture, it has actually turned the complete aspect of the digital world, or the way that we think. We can do a lot of business out of Facebook, on Facebook. We can interact people, we can engage people, and for sure you guys might be knowing, there are some companies who have actually initiated Facebook as a platform where people can come and place their visa order on Facebook page. Lead is what? It's not connected with the leadership. Inquiry, what you can say. A business owner, he wants a new customer, every day he wants a new customer. To get a new customer, he has to do certain activity. What are those activities? Those activities could be, he is promoting his website on Google so that his website comes on the first page of the Google. Or he is putting ads on popular portals like Times of India, Dalal Street, or wherever he is connected or related to the fashion. He might be putting his ads on a fashion related website. Means where the kind of audience whom you want to trap, if they are coming on that particular site, you want to advertise on that.
Suppose you are a startup and you are not financially strong.
Yeah.
So what are the traditional methods to generate lead?
It's what I am talking about. LinkedIn, you need not to pay anything. Facebook, you need not to pay anything. Twitter, you need not to pay anything. Making a small website for guys like you, if I can make a website, you guys can make much better website.
So you are a startup, people don't know you. So even if you create a profile in
Yes.
like LinkedIn, no one will follow you.
No, it's not that. You start following others. You start following others. You start interacting in various discussions. There are various online forums which are available. You put a question. I am a startup. I want to do these things. Can anyone suggest? What will happen? On a particular platform, no one will respond. For example, you repeat the same question at some other platform. Someone will come forward. Similarly, startup forums. BITS already have their startup alumni network which is there. IIT is also having. Lot of these will have people who are actually supporting, trying to become a mentor for these startups. Right? So you start interacting with them saying that you want to do something on these ideas and you want mentoring from them. They won't charge you fees. They will just guide you, do these. Customers are searching at Google. If you are not at Google, what happens? अक्सर ये कहा जाता है out of sight is out of mind. But in terms of digital world, out of sight is out of business. You simply need a mindset shift. It's not always correct that to start up, for a startup you always need a fund. No. There are a lot of guys, you know, in and around, they have a lot of funds, but why they are not coming as a startup, they are not starting something for their own. They don't have a business plan. When you have a lucrative plan, when you make sure that you can contribute something towards society, there are people who will come forward. And who are they? They are the people who are actually helping as a mentor. They are actually the people who are coming forward. Probably if you want to start something, I mean, BIT Misra is producing thousands of the students every year. They are passing out, they are getting started here and there. If you start interacting with them, don't you feel that out of thousands and thousands of the alumni members, one or two guys can be a mentor for you guys? There will be. We just need to, sales concept is not there that you have produced a particular product, people will buy it. No. You need to engage. You need to build a relationship. For one particular thing, there is one strong guy. Another thing, there is another strong guy. Few of the guys just collaborate, come together and make a complete solution. When you start doing multiple activity, you are getting hyperlinked. Hyperlinking is what? You are getting linked to a various location, various place. And then you will be addressed, you will be identified. We just need to drive ourselves. It's your own performance which is going to motivate you. External factors can only help you to get better. So guys, it's not that instinct when you are there, that is only going to help. It's your complete journey that is going to actually motivate you. If you have a technology and you have a business and a vision, you guys can do much better than any other can.